Hello students, today I am going to tell you something about yoga. What is yoga? What are its benefits? Tips for yoga and points that you have to keep in your mind while doing yoga. Now what is yoga? Think it. The word yoga actually means union. It is a practice that connects the body, mind, spirit through different body postures, meditation and controlled breathing. It is mental, physical, emotional and spiritual well-being. Now benefits of yoga. It helps in weight loss, provides more energy, more strength, better balance, better immunity and improves mental health. Tips for yoga. Do yoga in a well-ventilated, neat and clean place. Perform without shoes. Wear loose-fitting clothes and do not overdo any of the yoga exercise. You should keep in mind, bend slowly, raise your hands slowly. Inhale means breathe in and exhale means breathe out. Take care of your body. It is the only place you have to live in. Hello students. Today we will do Triaka Tadasana and revision of Trikonasana and Vrikshasana. Triaka Tadasana method of doing. Stand straight, feet apart. Raise your hands upwards while breathing in. Keep your fingers interlocked with palms facing upwards. Breathe out and bend your body from the waist to the left side. Breathe in and come back to the center. Repeat this for the right side. Keep your fingers interlocked, breathe out and bend your body from the waist to the right side. Breathe in and come back to the center. Slowly bring your hands down and breathe normally. Now, benefits are calms the mind, stretches stomach, hands and back, helps the body to relax. Let's practice the asana. Trikonasana, a triangular form. Stand erect with feet closer. Stand erect with feet close together and arms by the side of the legs. Move the legs outward and raise the arms sideways. Slowly bend the body forward and touch the right toe with the fingers of the left hand. Raise the right hand up and keep looking at it. Maintain this position for some time and then return to the original position. Benefits: it makes the spine flexible and reduces the waistline. Now let's do Vrikshasana. Stand with 2 inches feet apart. Focus on a point in front. While exhaling, you have to breathe out. Bend the right leg and place the foot on the inside of the left thigh like this. The heel should be touching your left thigh properly. Inhale and extend the arms up and join the palms in Namaste. In this position, continue deep breathing, pulling in the tummy muscles and expanding the spine upwards with every exhalation. Breathe. Stay here as long as you can, focusing on one point. Slowly exhaling, bring the arms down and then the right foot down to rest. Continue this pose with other foot. Here are some benefits of free pose, Vrikshasana. It improves balance and stability in the legs, strengthens the ligaments and tendon of the feet, strengthens and tones the entire standing leg up to the buttocks, assists the body in establishing pelvic stability, strengthens the bones of the hips and legs due to weight bearing nature of the pose. Thank you.